Yay! It looks like we have received our Samtec pins, the reproduction of the Malco pins, which is a critical item for the next step in the restoration. Whoa! Wow.
Wow, that's a lot.
Well, I told them, guys, whatever you do, make a lot of males. Forget about the females. You might have to change a few of the males. Okay, Mike, you open them and I'll film.
All right.
If you have followed the series, you know that Samtec has been generously helping us through this project. Samtec is the interconnect company I work for when I'm not goofing around repairing old computers. They helped us to X-ray our memory module, although the results were a bit fishy. Oops, wrong picture, this one. Moreover, they spent a significant engineering and tooling effort to remanufacture exact copies of the rare Malco mini-wasp contacts used in the AGC. These are exact reproductions following the original manufacturing drawings that Mike had unearthed from the NARA government archives.
So this is of course super necessary so we can connect Mike's test monitor to the real AGC.
There's a couple of them.
Okay. So there are male pins. So the tail is for wire wrapping, but it's really the other side that we wanted, and then it has this nylon body. It looks like it's the exact same thing. They had a whole bunch of trouble making these because they are much thicker than modern contacts. So they couldn't source the material that was thick enough.
Right.
And then it's a coin contact. It has some, I don't know if you can see it. I'll take them under a microscope. But it has some bevel surface. There is no way they could EDM it. They had to stamp them, so they had to do the tooling for it. So it turned out to be, so they had to do the tooling for the body and the tooling for the pins. So it turned out to be quite an interesting manufacturing challenge. And then, of course, the guy that received it, the subcontractor that did the stamping for this, he had never seen a contact for wire wrapping ever in his life, right? So he said, why is there a long tail? That must be an error. So the first batch, they cut them short because he didn't understand it.
Wire wrapping is a solderless connection technique where the wire is tightly wound around a long square post. The AGC's backplane is entirely wire wrapped. There is no solder, just mechanical contact. It was a popular way of making computer backplanes in the 1960s and was very dense, done by an automated machine and incredibly reliable. Our IBM 1401 at the Computer History Museum is a wire-wrapped machine, and we haven't had any failures in the backplane.
Okay, try the female one, see what happens. That looks very promising.
Yes.
Do you bring your board?
I did.
Okay, so let's see.
No, I did not bring the board. I brought
okay.
I brought the adapter plates though.
Oh, the adapter plates. Well, that's
Yeah.
cool. Okay.
All right, there's females.
Well, they look like the proper thing. Want to see if A fits into B?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Go for it. Delicious. It works. Okay, except my camera lost its focus again because now you have to focus on your hand. There you go. Perfecto. So you can see the coining on the end right here. And the bodies, these are nylon bodies. And the square tail. And here is the female part of it. And fortunately we got them all assembled. We were worried that we had to assemble them ourselves. But they came full service, all assembled, so this is awesome. So we need to take a quick tool to insert the pins. So no precision machining required here. Here's our new Malco pin insertion tool. See if I can do one that's completely cocked and it will self-align. Yeah, it did. This one I didn't even pre-press at all. Yeah, still made it. Okay. How many more to go? So that's
144 total.
144, so...
You've done 18 there.
Cool. Alright, well we have the rest of the night to go. Isn't it satisfying to press those pins in?
Yeah, it is.
Here you go, schnoops. So it only took us an hour, but I think we have a new old Malco connector. Right, so that should plug in straight into the AGC test port. I have to do the screws. I still have to do the screws, but apart from that, we're pretty good. Yeah, can I see the other side? Yeah. So these are the tail side, so it'll be a PCB out there, PCB way to our rescue, and the other side just plugs in. Wow, excellent. And this was of course the last critical element we were waiting for to allow us to plug things like Mike's AGC monitor into the AGC, like so, and hopefully fly many P63s on the real thing. We can't wait.